So I'm going to put this in your ear. When you hear something, you just have to raise your hand, okay? Okay, look that way. Good job. I'm going to do it with this ear. Good job. Now, can you stand by the door for me?